If someone asks to me which country can be the best friend after the Russia, then my answer will be France. And France is the one who commits military support against China to India after the Galwan clashes. And France is the one who always block the Pakistan and Chinese efforts on Kashmir issue in UNSC. Hello and good morning everyone. Today my lecture topic is India and France relationship. Friends, as all we know, France had a colonial presence in India before the British rule. And India and France had a very long historical trade relation. And France was the first country whom which India had signed the strategic partnership agreement in 1998 after the Cold War time. And France was in the few country which supported India's nuclear weapon tested of 1998. And today, France has emerged the India's most closest ally. And France also said India as a very important pillar in Indo-Pacific strategy of France. And after the Prime Minister Modi came in 2014, both countries have improved the relation very rapid. So friends, now let's talk what are the area of cooperation between France and India. First is political. There are very frequent exchange of meetings after the 1998 and most rapidly after 2014. Both countries have very cooperation in very much more international organization and forum. Also, France support India's membership in United Nations permanent membership and NSG nuclear supplier group. Second is defense and security. Both countries have military exercise them Gavura, some other like Baruna, Shakti, IM exercise 2022, and also India have bought the 36 Rafale fighter jet from France, and France have done some transfer of technology in P-75 Scorpion project. Third is economic. There are trade between both countries of 14 billion euro, and France is the seventh largest foreign direct investor to India. From the 2000 to 2020, the foreign direct investment is about 9 billion US dollar. Friends, next is the culture. Like over 3 lakh Indians live in France and over 10,000 Indian students enrolled in France universities. And both countries have very culturally linked, and French people loved the Indian culture, Indian language, the regional things, art and musics. Next cooperation field is the COVID-19 pandemic time. We have seen India have sent millions of the significant medicine, and France have sent many ventilators as well as the many oxygen plants, and that can be useful for next 10 years. Friends, some other field like science and environment. Both country, France was the founding member of the International Solar Alliances that Modi was announced in 2015 COP21 meeting. And after that, both have done much more cooperation in the environment and technology. Also, many cooperation between the Indian Space Agency and French Space Agency, and both have worked on many several fields. Friends, in my conclusion, as a way forward, like in recent time, France has many times said that it would like to be the gateway of Europe for India, and France have improved the relation with India in recent years. As to see the threat of China in Indo-Pacific, both have worked together, and India should improve the relation in the trade and increase the export, and so that both countries can make the people-to-people connection more and more, and both countries can make strengthen the relation in future time. Thank you.